Hey everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'm going to be walking you through a process on how to blur your face on FlipGrid. Sometimes, if you are to participate in a topic on FlipGrid but you don't want to be sharing your face since you are conscious about how you look on camera or whatever your reasons are, there is a way on how you can easily blur your face without having to worry about how you look on FlipGrid. In order to do so, click open your web browser and log into your FlipGrid account. Go and join in a topic on your FlipGrid. Click on Record Response in order to open up your camera. Once you end up in your camera screen, click on the Effects button. From the Effects menu, go to Filters. Now, if you'd like to blur your face, you'll need to look for a filter that's called Bricks. Click it on, and you'll be able to see that your face has been blurred. You can also select Pixelated Filter out here, and that way you'll be able to blur your screen if you're not pretty much comfortable about how you look on FlipGrid. That is how you can quickly blur your face on FlipGrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.